If you've been seeing ads for the Kuyami pillow everywhere, you're not alone. It's marketed as this premium cooling pillow that promises to fix your sleep, reduce neck pain, and stop night sweating, all thanks to its bamboo-based fabric and microfiber filling. Sounds amazing, right? But is it actually worth your money? Or is something off here? Let's break it down. First, the claims. Kuyami boldly states things like 97% less neck pain in just 1 week and life-changing sleep quality. Those numbers look impressive, but there's a catch. There are no independent studies, clinical tests, or verified research backing any of these claims. When a product uses big stats without real evidence, it's usually a red flag. Next, let's talk about reviews. On the Kuyami website, every single review is 5 stars. No criticism, no mixed feedback, nothing. That might sound great, but in reality, real customer reviews are always mixed. The complete absence of neutral or negative reviews makes the page feel curated, or worse, manipulated. There's no transparency, no way to confirm the reviews are genuine, and that raises serious concerns. Now, here's the part most people don't know. Pillows that look identical to Kuyami are being sold by overseas suppliers, especially on platforms like Alibaba, and for a fraction of the price. This suggests Kuyami may simply be rebranding a generic product while marking it up significantly. Nothing wrong with reselling, but when a brand markets a product as premium and exclusive while using stock versions, that's misleading. You also might have noticed the constant 70% off today only or limited stock banners on their site. These scarcity tactics are classic high-pressure marketing strategies used to push fast purchases, not necessarily quality products. Finally, customer service. Kuyami doesn't list a phone number or a physical business address. The only way to reach them is through an email form. That lack of transparency tells you everything. You have no guaranteed way to follow up on shipping issues, refunds, or product concerns. So, is Kuyami Pillow a scam or legit? It's not an outright scam, but it's definitely not what it claims to be. Overhyped benefits, questionable reviews, generic sourcing, and low transparency make it hard to recommend. If you want a truly supportive or cooling pillow, there are far more reputable options from brands that provide verified testing and real customer feedback. Thanks for watching.